Hello and welcome everyone. I am Thamizharasu, your business coach and guide. With years of experience helping businesses navigate their growth journey. Today I am here to delve into a topic that's absolutely crucial in the business landscape, inventory management. We are focusing on a particular system known as the Perpetual Inventory System, a method that has proven to be incredibly beneficial for businesses of all sizes. Over the next few minutes, we will explore this system in depth, uncovering its components, discussing its benefits and challenges. Whether you are a small business owner looking to optimize your inventory management or a seasoned professional wanting to stay updated with the latest, this video is going to pack with valuable insights. So let's dive in and master the Perpetual Inventory System together. Let's get started.
1. Understanding the Perpetual Inventory System, an overview. A perpetual inventory system is an inventory management method where inventory quantities are updated in real time following every sale, purchase, or inventory adjustment. This continuous update provides businesses with accurate inventory records at any given time, critical for efficient operations and informed decision making. 2. Perpetual Inventory System versus Periodic Inventory System. How does a perpetual inventory system compare with a periodic inventory system? In a periodic inventory system, inventory is updated periodically, often at the end of a financial period. This could lead to potential discrepancies between actual and recorded inventory. On the other hand, a perpetual inventory system provides real-time tracking, minimizing such discrepancies and aiding in accurate financial reporting. 3. Key components of the Perpetual Inventory System. The Perpetual Inventory System consists of various components, like inventory records, real-time tracking, and the role of barcoding. The integration of technology such as inventory management software and point-of-sale systems is vital to its functioning. 4. How does the Perpetual Inventory System work? A step-by-step guide. So, how does a Perpetual Inventory System work? First, whenever inventory is purchased, the inventory account and accounts payable are updated. Next, when a sale is made, the inventory account decreases, and the cost of goods sold increases. Lastly, any inventory adjustments, like loss or spoilage, are also accounted for. The result? An always up-to-date inventory record. 5. The role of technology in the Perpetual Inventory System. The role of technology in a Perpetual Inventory System cannot be overstated. Modern technology like inventory management software, point-of-sale systems, and barcoding greatly enhance the system's effectiveness, providing real-time inventory tracking and reducing the likelihood of human error. 6. Benefits of implementing a perpetual inventory system in your business. So, what are the benefits of implementing a perpetual inventory system in your business? Real-time inventory tracking, minimized stockouts and overstock, and more accurate financial reporting are just a few of the advantages you can enjoy. 7. Challenges and solutions in applying the Perpetual Inventory System. Of course, like any system, the Perpetual Inventory System also has its challenges, including high initial investment, staff training, and potential system errors. But don't worry, we'll walk you through practical solutions for these, such as considering cloud-based systems, providing comprehensive staff training, and conducting regular system maintenance and updates. 8. Case study. Successful implementation of the Perpetual Inventory System. Still not convinced? Let's look at a hypothetical case study of a medium-sized retail business. Retail Rush, which saw significant improvements in inventory control, financial reporting, operational efficiency, and customer satisfaction after implementing a perpetual inventory system. 9. Choosing the right perpetual inventory system for your business. Now, how can you choose the right perpetual inventory system for your business? Consider your business size, type, and specific needs, and look for key features like real-time tracking, POS integration, barcode scanning, scalability, and vendor support. 10. Future trends in perpetual inventory system. Finally, let's take a peek into the future. Expect to see advancements like increased integration with AI and machine learning, advanced use of IoT devices, improved integration with other systems, and the incorporation of sustainable business practices in perpetual inventory systems. A perpetual inventory system can be transformative for businesses, providing a myriad of benefits that propel business growth. As technology continues to advance, we can expect even more enhancements in perpetual inventory systems, making it a valuable tool for businesses of all sizes and across all industries. Thanks for watching. We hope this guide has provided you with valuable insights into the perpetual inventory system. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more business insights. Until next time.